Okay, my name is Clint England. My surgeon was Dr. Tarazona. I had my left shoulder, I had a reverse replacement done on my left shoulder. Well, believe it or not, I actually came here about 3 years prior and I saw Dr. Sando, who's excellent as well. And he said pretty much that you're gonna need one, but not yet. And it got to the point where literally by the time I came back and saw Dr. Tarazona, I could not lift my arm past my belt, literally full force. So there was nothing I could do. I mean, it was just at that point where either you live and you lay in bed all day or can do almost nothing, or you have to try to do something. I really could do almost nothing without pain. And also pain while just resting, like I had a severe arthritis and osteoarthritis, I think Dr. Tarazona said. So it was almost never pain-free, so limiting everything, really. Yeah. I was just at that point where there was even, working through the pain, trying to lift things, it just became you couldn't do it. You just couldn't even, and I have a pretty good pain threshold, at least I like to believe that I do. I couldn't do anything. I couldn't will myself through anything anymore without being like, it's not gonna get better. I need to do something. He was great. And this is the thing to me personally, having been through a lot of injuries and different doctors of different types over the course of my lifetime. Many of them, even when they're very competent, you feel like you're on a timetable, like I've got 50,000 patients to see, okay, and I never felt that with him. He answered all the questions, took all the time. I never felt hurried. And that to me set him apart, in my opinion, really. That was a big deal for me. I was the first surgery. And again, I thought that even the person at the front desk, very competent, very professional, and on down the line with everybody who I dealt with the anesthetic I had and just everybody. And Dr. Tarazona was great. He said, I've had my coffee, I'm ready to go. If you want to say a surgical environment is pleasant, I would say that it qualifies. It was great, and I also liked that the prescriptions were right next door, which I thought was great, like one-stop shopping. You can go right from the surgery center, right next door and get your meds to help you get through that first night and what have you. And so, again, another great thing. Probably the first 12 hours were the toughest for me. But really after that, I was pretty good. I mean, the meds did a good job. I was immobilized, so sleeping wasn't super comfortable, but it wasn't difficult based upon the things that I had to do. You know what I mean? I knew I was immobilized. It would be hard to be in different positions, but that was expected, and so I don't think there was any added difficulty other than what you would typically deal with. Well, I think anybody who has had chronic pain, right, of any type, what does it do to you, right? It's a constant reminder that you're uncomfortable, whether you're resting or activities, right? So I think from that standpoint, I'm no longer in constant pain. So it has improved just across the board from a mental standpoint because I don't have that lingering pain and suffering that was always there. And that's a big thing. I had it with my right shoulder as well from the years ago. And like I said, I'm happy that, So the answer is simple. It's pretty much improved everything just because of that. It has gotten rid of the chronic pain that I had. I'm an old athlete, so I don't do the discus and the shot put and the things I used to do years and years ago. But I'm just excited about, again, working out again and expanding maybe different things, but just getting back to that level of health that I would like to be at. And that's what it is. It's just, trying to expand, get stronger, maybe better endurance, just, from a physical standpoint. And I think that's what I'm excited about. If you are in chronic pain and you've gone through the diagnoses, x-rays, whatever it is, and you're not going to get better, either deal with it and get on some serious pain meds, or you better have something done. Because that's really what it comes down to. You have those two choices. He's excellent, he's competent, he's nice, he answers all your questions. There's nothing that I don't like about him. everybody that was a part of the puzzle, I think, was very professional and did a really good job. You know, I mean, it starts with the surgeon, obviously, and then it trickles down to all the people, all the staff. But I think everyone was really, really good. And that's probably, that's all I can really say. You know, everyone was professional, everyone was really good and very friendly, and very competent.